Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to pay bills using Charles Schwab online banking. So this video is a step-by-step guide to setting up and using bill pay through the Charles Schwab online banking. So first is navigate to bill pay. So log into your Charles Schwab account and find the bill pay section in the left sidebar navigation. So your checking account balance will be displayed at the top of the page. So you need a Schwab checking account to use bill pay. So brokerage accounts alone don't support this feature. Next is add a payee. So click on add payee to set up a new biller and then enter the company name, your account number, and the billing address. So you can also search for popular billers like utility companies and credit cards. Next is make a payment. So select your payee, enter the payment amount, and then choose a delivery date and select which account to pay from. So click on send payment to process the transaction. Next is set up recurring payments. So for regular bills, you can set up recurring payments. So you can choose the frequency. It can be monthly, weekly, bi-weekly, and then you can also set start and end dates. So you just have to enable automatic payment scheduling so you can never miss a bill. Lastly is check the payment history. So check your payment history to see all of the completed payments with dates, amounts, payee names, and confirmation status. So this will serve as your record for tracking expenses and verifying payments went through. So you can also export your payment history as a CSV for easy budgeting and expense tracking. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!